YouTube. Here we are for our first word series for practice for baking and pastry. I started a series for classical cuisine, French words of classical cuisine. I will do a separate series with baking and pastry French terms for you to listen to practice, and also learn about some definitions and give you some little tidbits of facts about some of these items. So without further ado, let's get us started here. And the first word we have, we might have seen it in the other list, but that's the only one that's going to be duplicated. It's pâte à choux. Pâte à choux. Number one, pâte à choux. Pâte à choux. Notice how pâte and there is a liaison, so it sounds like pâte à choux. Pâte à choux. Pâte à choux. Number two, éclair. 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 Number three, croquembouche. Croquembouche, meaning to crack in the mouth. Croquembouche. Number four, Paris-Brest. Paris-Brest. Paris, notice we don't pronounce the S at the end of the word. Paris-Brest, the name of two cities in France. Paris-Brest is a French pastry specialty. Number five, pâte sucrée. Pâte sucrée. Pâte sucrée. Number six, pâte brisée. Pâte brisée. Number seven, pâte sablée. Pâte sablée. Number eight, pâte feuilletée. Pâte feuilletée. Pâte feuilletée. Number nine, boucher. Boucher. Number 10, vol au vent. Vol au vent. Vol au vent. Notice that we don't pronounce the T at the end of vent. Vol au vent. Number 11, palmier. Palmier. Notice we do not pronounce the R at the end of palmier. It's a little bit like your E with an accent. Palmier. Palmier. Number 12, crème pâtissière. Crème pâtissière. Crème pâtissière. Et voilà. So, 12 words for your enjoyment. The definitions you can read, but if you want to practice the words while you're driving, be careful, be safe while driving. Use a hand-free device, and you can practice on the go. Let me know what you would like to see in my videos or my series. What words would you like me to focus on? Share to someone that might be interested in practicing their French. Down the road, I might do something with traveling and expression, basic conversation, if the interest is there. So please comment on YouTube, subscribe. The more you subscribe, the more I know that I am on the right track and will continue working on these videos. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe. See you again soon. Take care.